Today I'm going to show you the benefits and features of the MaxxAir Fan Plus roof vent. It has a molded plastic flange that is not drilled when you receive it. However, it does have dimples which shows you exactly where to drill it, and it comes with all the hardware to install. It also has molded waterproof vent tabs if you want to get the MaxxAir fan mate and put the fan mate vent cover over this whole assembly. With the lid open, you'll notice a very high quality waterproof seal around the entire opening. It features a 12-inch diameter variable speed fan with 10 fan blades. The motor is a sealed ball bearing motor. You can see it features 2 lifting arms, which gives it good solid support, which makes it a very sturdy design and allows you to travel with the lid open and prevents wind fluttering if you're parked on a windy day with the vent open. I ordered the smoke-colored translucent lid made of durable plastic. It does come in clear as well. It has a built-in rain sensor as shown here. When it detects moisture, it'll automatically turn the fan off and close the lid. We're going to see if this sensor works. As you can see, worked like a champ. Now if you wish to install a MaxxAir vent cover, I did that and this is what it looks like. The nice thing about these, they're just 4 quick release pins, and if you have to clean your vent lid, pull 2 pins, hinge it open, get it all cleaned up, and hinge it back closed. Reinsert your pins. And you're done. Now let's take a look at some of the interior features. It does come with the interior trim piece or garnish ring. It features a flush mounted control pad which is very easy to use and clean. As an alternative to the control pad, it comes with a remote control which allows you to control all the functions of the fan without having to reach up and push a button. We'll cover all the features and capabilities of the remote control in a few minutes. It displays a rain sensor sticker to show you in fact you do have the model with the rain sensor. It features a manual control knob to operate the fan manually. Probably one of the nicest features I've seen of any fan is its insect screen. It is a removable insect screen, and to remove it you rotate the locking knobs 180 degrees outboard. Now that the screen is off, you have easy access to clean the fan blades or any portion of the assembly. After cleaning the screen, reinstall in reverse order, lining up the locking tabs and spinning them back to their locked position. Now let's go ahead and look at some of the features you can control by the control pad or the remote control. Here's your on-off switch. This is your in-out button to reverse fan operation. You have a temperature hold button. It is automatically programmed to hold 78 degrees. To default to 78 degrees, push and hold for a few seconds and your thermostat will automatically adjust to 78 degrees. You have your rain sensor on-off switch. So if you live in Arizona, you might as well shut that off because you're never going to get any rain. These are your fan speed buttons. You have 10 fan speeds. So with the vent open or closed, you can control the fan speeds. This also operates as a ceiling fan with the vent lid closed. Let's witness operation of the fan. First thing I'm going to do is push the on-off button and turn it on. You'll notice the vent cover automatically raises with its dual actuators and the vent fully opens. Demonstrate reversing the fan by pushing the in and out. The fan will automatically come to a complete stop and then reverse operation. Now let's adjust fan speed and see what our lowest setting is. So that is setting 1. Moving to setting 2. Setting 3. Setting 4. It is a pretty quiet fan. Starting to get some noise. Setting 5. Setting 6. Setting 7. Setting 8. Setting 9. Setting 10. You heard the double beep telling me I'm at the highest setting there is. Now I'm going to reverse fan operation. As you can see, the fan shuts down, will automatically reverse, and kick back into whatever speed you reversed it on. Now I'll show you the automatic shutdown feature. Push on off. The fan will automatically shut off and the vent lid automatically closes. If I want to turn the rain sensor off, you'll see it is displayed by a red LED light notifying me that the rain sensor has now been turned off. Turn the rain sensor back on and the off LED light extinguishes. I want to set to a hold point of 78 degrees. I will push and hold. You'll notice the green LED light comes on, notifying me that I have my set point to 78 degrees. It is warmer than 78 degrees inside my RV right now, and therefore the vent fan automatically opened is pulling the hot air out through the roof. It went into suction mode. Turn the fan off. There may be instances where you want to open the vent, however you do not want the fan on. In order to do this, you use the manual control knob and drive the vent lid open or close. You can manually position the vent lid to whatever position you'd like. I'll go ahead and close it. What I really like about this fan is the insect screen. A lot of fans, the insect screen gets sucked into the fan and makes a bunch of ruckus. The way this screen is designed, I don't see that happening. To activate the functions of the remote control, push the on-off button. When the remote control is on, you can adjust the temperature set point. You'll notice in the right-hand corner you can see the actual room temperature of 86 degrees in this case. My set point temperature is 77 degrees. I can adjust the set point by using the minus or the plus button. So if I want to drop it down, I like it at 68 degrees. However, my wife will come in here and she will adjust it back up to 74 degrees. So that's how you set the temperature. Now if I want that temperature to be set automatically, I put it in the auto mode. Now the fan will run in the auto mode and it'll maintain that temperature set point. If I want to reverse the fan, here's the reverse button as we demonstrated before on the fan control panel itself. If I want to open or close the vent lid, I push that button. However, it won't do it in the auto mode. As you can see, it's flashing auto, telling me that it wants to draw air out due to the internal temperature. I'll shut auto off. I can open or close the vent lid by pushing that button. As you can see, it went open. Push it again, it will go closed. To control the fan speed, I use the fan icons. So if I want to draw the fan speed up, you can see it's 70%, 80%, 90%, or 100%. You'll notice the fan is off currently. In order for these remote controls to work, you really have to aim them directly at the fan. Okay, so now that it's on, you'll see I'll adjust the fan speed down in 10% increments. So there you have it. I can't think of anything else to cover on the remote control. That's showing you full functionality, and you can see it's got the battery indicator on it as well, telling you the battery charge of the remote control. Well, there you have it. A little lesson of all the features and benefits of a new MaxxAir vent fan. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope you tune in for many more things to come on this channel. Please subscribe, share, and like, or like, share, and subscribe, whatever order you'd like to do it in. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.